Good morning. In this video, I'm going to be eating this wonderful breakfast. So we've got these tortillas. These are Don Pancho soft taco style whole wheat tortillas. So I've got two of these. And then let me show you what's on my plate. I've got some mushrooms and scrambled eggs. And then I've got an orange. And I don't know if the orange is still good, but it's all the fruit I have left. I have to go to the store and get more fruit. So yeah, let's try this. So I fried the mushrooms in olive oil, and then I threw some eggs in there and I scrambled them. Wow. So hungry. This is the first thing I've eaten today. And I've been up for a couple hours, or at least an hour. I mean, well, a couple hours. Let me check the time. Yeah, it's 7:49, so I got up really early today. This is so good. I toasted these. What you do to toast them is you take the tortilla and you fold it and you put it in the toaster. You see how I burned it a little bit? So it's a little bit burned, but it's pretty good. Let's try one of these oranges. I think the orange, I don't know if it's good. Get a good look there at the orange. Just a regular orange. Smells good. Let's see. Yeah, it's okay. It could be better. It was good though. It's supposed to be good for you, right? So I'll try to eat fruit with every meal. And wow, breakfast is so good. I'm one of those people that can get up and eat, but today I got up and I did some work, did some videos, and then I had my coffee. Those oranges are good. Really, really nice. I'll tell you a story while I eat. I used to work at this steel factory where we had to load like these 20-foot pieces of steel. Then rather we had to set up the orders. And then like the semis would come and they would take the orders. They would say, oh, this is the order number. And so they would go grab the pieces of steel. And it was a really hard job. You know, I'd come home. So good. Covered in like dust from the steel. It was ridiculous. And there was these guys. I didn't know who they were. I saw them there one day, and they were sitting outside, and I think they were temporary workers. I was also a temporary worker. I wasn't full-time. It was through a temp agency. And these guys were temporary through another agency, I think. And they were sitting outside, and they were eating oranges. And I heard them talking in Spanish. I think they might have been from Mexico because of the accent. So I asked him in Spanish, I said, oye, ustedes nada más comen naranja, ¿qué pasa? Es todo lo que comen. Basically, I asked him, hey, is that all you eat? You know, you're just eating oranges? But I asked him in Spanish, you know, because I speak Spanish. And, you know, they're sitting out there with the oranges. They had a whole bag of oranges. They're just eating. I was like, yeah, that's all we got. Sí, claro. I'm like, órale. I think that's hardcore. You know, you work a job like that, and you just eat oranges. So I don't know how they did it. Because I would take 2 huge sandwiches full of ham and cheese and, I mean, all kinds of stuff. Because when you work like an animal, when you work hard like that, you know, in a steel factory, you have to eat like an animal, right? But these guys, they just did it on oranges. And you know, they weren't there every day. I mean, granted, like, I think I saw them a couple times and then I never saw them again. So it wasn't like they were doing it every day. Maybe they realized oranges weren't enough. And they were like, screw this, I'm not working here anymore. It's too hard, you know, so I don't know. That's my orange story. Those dudes who ate oranges for their lunch working at the steel factory, and that's all they ate. That's hard. I can feel my body refueling itself. I was so hungry. I forgot to get my water. I'll be right back. I gotta get something to drink. I got my fancy cup. I'm also gonna take some vitamins. These are just vitamins that I have left over from I don't know where. I just take them. This is vitamin E. I probably won't buy this again. And then D is one I probably will buy again because vitamin D you can get from the sun. Oh, that's cool. There's a baby deer, but it's kind of far away. I don't think I can get the camera on it. And they're crossing the street, and a mom. And oh, so cute, so cute. Fish oil. Vitamin C. Fish oil is a good one to take. Fish oil. I'll leave a link in the description to the fish oil and to the vitamin D, and maybe some others, but the fish oil is something I like. I'll probably buy again when I run out. Oh, I've got 2 vitamin E's here. Didn't even realize that. And I've been taking both. That's weird. I just thought, oh, they're vitamins, they must be good, so I just take them. Didn't even look at what they were. That's not good, right? You want to make sure that you know what you're taking. Look at that. Good to eat. These tortillas, I like these. I was eating like these corn flour tortillas before, like a mix, but I like these better. These whole wheat, rather corn whole wheat mix tortillas, like 50-50 mix, but these are just pure whole wheat, and I'm liking these. I am liking these. This is 3 eggs and 4 pieces of tomato, of mushroom. This whole meal, the calories for this whole meal, and 2 tortillas, is 240 calories. The eggs are 210, so you're at 450. Throw in some olive oil that I used to cook the eggs, so maybe I'm at 510. Throw in the mushrooms, maybe 530. Throw in an orange, I don't know what that's going to be, but about 600 calories, a little bit more maybe, for the whole meal. So a 600 calorie breakfast is about 500 or 600 calories is about what I have for my breakfast. It's like enough food, but it's not too much, but it's a good amount. It's really good. I'm gonna go surfing later today, in a couple hours. What time is it? Yeah, I've got 3 hours before I have to go surfing, so I'll probably have to eat again. Definitely will eat again before I go surf. So good. So good. Look at that. Not windy outside today. This is good. Well, I think in 3 hours, the wind's going to pick up. The surf will be worse, but can't go now because the tide is too low. So, so good. I was so hungry. Being hungry is one of the worst things, you know? Lucky that we have food and we can eat. That's it. Ate it all. Delicious. I haven't had these in a while. These are the Don Pancho authentic choice tortillas. Soft style. Let me drink all my water. That's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Take care.